Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to transform our plain HTML car website into something that looks modern and stunning, all with the power of CSS. If you're ready to level up your design skills, stay tuned because this part is where the magic really begins. This is part 2 of our series, where we'll handle the entire CSS part of the project we started in part 1. By the end of this video, our site will look something like this. Today, we're going to cover 4 main sections. 1. Custom Scrollbar. 2. Navbar. 3. Home section. 4. About section. I'll be using Visual Studio Code for this, but feel free to use any code editor you're comfortable with. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, where we built the full HTML structure, check the comment section for the link. You'll also find all the image resources linked there too, so don't miss out. All right, let's jump into the coding. Coding begins. First, we'll start by writing some default CSS structure, like resetting margins, paddings, and setting base fonts. Next up, let's design a sleek, modern custom scroll bar. And it's done. Now, onto the Navbar. Clean, responsive, and with a cool hover effect. Done. Let's move into the home section, adding that desert background and stylish car placement. Looks good. Now for the About section. We're embedding a looping video here to make the design more dynamic and eye-catching. and it's looking awesome. That wraps up the CSS coding part of this video. Let's quickly review the final result. The custom scroll bar looks slick. The Navbar hover effects feel modern. The About section video gives it that premium touch, and that desert background with the sports car? Absolutely perfect. In part 3, we'll be working on the car models and parts section, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you want the source code, just drop your Instagram handle in the comments and I'll personally DM it to you. That's all for now. Take care, and as always, happy coding.